Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video we're going to talk about how to download YouTube videos in 2024. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to go to YouTube and then we're gonna click on our profile. So click on your profile, so that's in the right upward corner, and click on view your channel. After that, on the left side, you're gonna see a list of many things, but the one thing we're looking for is your videos. Click on that. Wait for it to load, and after that, you're gonna see your video. So, let's say you lost your backup or you lost your operating system or anything like that. This is a very good way to upload your videos and instantly download them. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click on these three dots options and we're gonna click on download. Click on that, and as you can see, it's downloaded instantly. So the thing is, when you upload the videos to YouTube, they will going to be compressed. So this is the video we uploaded, which is 126 kilobytes, and the video we downloaded is 44 kilobytes, which basically means that it compressed, and when we download it, it's much faster, and a lot of times it's better quality, so that's okay. After that, I'm gonna show you how to download other people videos. So you're gonna go to YouTube. We are going to go to any video, doesn't matter, any video, like it really doesn't matter. Let's say this one. You're gonna click on pause, and here right next to subscribe, like button and share is a download button. You're gonna click on that, and it's gonna ask you if you want high or standard quality. You're going to click try it free. So the thing you're gonna do is you're gonna buy YouTube Premium so you can download videos on YouTube. Since in the license form, you basically can't download YouTube videos as it's not legal. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy, which I very recommend, you're gonna buy YouTube Premium, so YouTube Red, so you can download videos and not get your channel deleted. That's it for today's video. Bye. Thank you.